Your building management system deserves more than basic graphics. At Uriel Enterprises, we design premium 3D VAC graphics, interactive visualizations. Compatible with leading base platforms, our graphics Enterprises building automations are compatible. With leading base platforms, our graphics improve operator efficiency, enhance user experience, and add value to every project from individual equipment to complete building systems. We help system integrators deliver exceptional building automation solutions. Uriel Enterprises, one-stop solution for building automation.